You gotta lean against the couch.
Bailey.
Okay. Bailey. Well, hold on. Stay there. Ready? Come here, buddy. Brayden. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're too excited. Ready? We gotta do it again. Hold on. Stay there. Okay.
Oops. You're being a ham for the camera, aren't you?
Ready? Brayden, come here. It's only one step. You gotta take more than that. I know you can do it. We gotta send it to Nana and Great Grandma and Grandpa. Ready? Good job.
What do you keep laughing so much for?
He's like, get your hands off me.
Good boy.
You're funny. Good job. Give me a kiss. Okay, do it again. Oh. Hold on.
I think he just likes falling.
You're silly. Hold on, buddy. Ready? I think so. Hey, Brayden. Brayden, right here. Stand up. You're not standing. Good. Okay. Hold on. Stand up.
Monster. Monster.
Ay, 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 ay,